and watch lover, this is Praveen from Watchopedia. Welcome again. So excited to be back for a new video. So first of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks for your association and your constructive comments. So that will really help to improve the content of this channel as well as to grow the channel. So today we are doing unboxing for a Versace watch. That's a fashion watch, but with the Swiss automatic movement. So I will do the unboxing. We will review the specifications, and end of that I'll provide a couple of interesting facts about Versace. So stay tuned so that you don't miss anything. So before unboxing, just a request: if you are first time visiting the channel, so please subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss any videos, because we will having a lot of content coming in future videos. So let's dig into the unboxing. So this watch comes in gold finish cardboard box with very distinguishing patterning on the box. Versace logo is also printed in golden font with classic Medusa logo in the center. Packaging is really flashy and eye-catching in golden, or I would say the champagne color. So let's open the box. It housed the watch box on the top, whereas manual including the warranty card as well as additional soft pouch is kept at the bottom open compartment. The white pouch is very soft in texture, having Versace logo printed on the center and champagne color rope tighteners. Manual, it's detailed, covering information on other calibers, watch operating instructions, of course in multiple languages, and watch warranty cards. So this is a warranty card for the watch. So it's indicating the date of purchase, the dealer's stamp, etc. in my region. It comes with an international warranty of 2 years. Let's open the box. It is a box with leather texturing, primarily of white color, with additional strip of gold or a champagne color where the box opens. Medusa logo is printed on center of box in gold color. Inside the box is Versace IQOS watch. Dial size is 40 mm in size, and model number is V180500017 as indicated on tag. Interior of box is white soft cloth having velvet texture with a nice padding. Box seems to be made of a strong cardboard, and overall it seems a well made and very attractive box. Gorgeous and flashy watch in PVD gold plating with blue dial having sunburst effect. So there is a plastic on the watch face. Let me remove it from side to show the actual dial color. Absolutely brilliant finish for the watch from different viewing angles. So this watch comes in multiple dial colors and with a combination of stainless steel bracelet and straps. I have similar watch in similar color too, and someday will provide a short video and quick comparison for both watches. I included few pictures on top or the side of this video to demonstrate the range of choices available for this. So dial is at 44 mm excluding the crown and 47 mm with the crown. Thickness is 11 mm. Lug width is at 22 mm. Lug to lug width is at 51.7 mm, and legs are not tapering down completely, so due to higher lug width this watch seems bigger than it is size, and you might see the same during the later part of the video during the wrist shots. Watch face is a unique and highlight for this watch. So dial is deep blue in color with 3 different variations on dial. So there are concentric rings covering the R markers, whereas the center area is plain blue with sunburst effect. Medusa as a Versace logo is at 12 o'clock position. Date complication is at 3 o'clock position, whereas iconic Greek key strip continues on dial, passing through the R markers of 7 o'clock and 11 o'clock, and later merge with the golden color or the Greek key strip of two-tone bracelet. So it's simply awesome pattern leading to a very unique design for this watch. So from here you can see R indexes are stick or the button type, and R minute and the second hand are gold tone, also in the button type. Lume is bit weak in the watch and applied for the R indexes as well as on the R and the minute hands, and which is quite okay because it's a fashion watch, not a diver watch. So crown is octagon in shape. Medusa head is engraved on the crown. It is push-pull type, hence very easy to pull the crown for time and for the date adjustments or on the winding. The case is all stainless steel 316L with yellow or the white PVD coating in the matte finish. Bezel is fixed and in the glossy yellow gold color with very fine brushing on the sides. So there is a knurling pattern on the watch case in middle with the silver color, providing an awesome look and appeal for the watch. The lugs are somewhat straight, not curving down completely, hence complement the bulky feeling for this watch. Crystal is sapphire glass with anti-reflective coating. It sits flat on the watch and combined with the less height of watch complement the contemporary style. Case back exhibition type, showing the Swiss movement with Versace name engraved on the logo. This time to showcase the case back, I removed one pin of bracelet, and now you can clearly see the case back with unique patterning on movement rotor also. So it is secured using 4 screws, and other details on watch serial number, model number, Swiss made declaration extra are all engraved. So now comes the movement part for the watch. So this watch is having a very sturdy, accurate and workhorse movement named ETA 2824-2. This is the most ubiquitous of ETS movements that's solid and serviceable. So this movement is a 25 jewel movement with a frequency of 4 Hz or 28,400 beats per hour with power reserve of approximately 38 hours with an option of hacking of the seconds. Here comes the wrist shots on my 7.5 inch wrist. It fits very nicely, and as I mentioned above, it appears slightly bigger due to higher lug to lug distance of 52 mm. So if your wrist size is smaller than 7 inch, then it could appear to be oversized. But with an option of leather straps, it still can provide a nice option as it seems a bit smaller on the rubber straps. So that's really sums up the review for this watch. So positive points: overall awesome appeal, great appearance, contemporary look, and top fashion brand watch with the workhorse movement. So it makes an absolute deal for a great fashion watch. Price is also very good in the range of $1,500 to $2,000 depending upon the country you stay. Second positive is about the color combination. Blue color is an awesome color, looks very nice, but you still have the multiple options of silver, green, gray, black color combinations to choose as per your own preference and style. For opportunities, the first one is a size. It is 44 mm, and that may be deterrent to people with a smaller wrist size. Second, the bracelet is very nice. It looks very flashy, but due to the glossy finish, and it is prone to the minor scuffs and the scratches. So it needs a very high care from the moisture and the scratches. And finally, the clasp. Clasp is very basic, seems flimsy. It's heavy. It's a heavy watch of about 160 gram of total weight. So I think Versace should have invested on a better quality and a strong clasp. So for me, I enjoy the bigger size watches, and overall I'm very happy with this watch. It's a well-known fashion brand having a robust mechanism. So I leave it up to you to decide whether you would like to invest on this watch or any other watch. So as promised in the beginning, so there are a couple of facts about Versace. The first of all, Versace was acquired by Michael Kors in 2018. So later they changed the name to Capri Holding. So the second fact, Versace is the first fashion brand that invested in their own hotels also. So they have one luxurious hotel in Dubai by name of Palazzo Versace. So I leave it up to you to find out the other properties in the world. And the third fact, Versace is behind the inspiration of Google image search on the Google search engine. I hope you liked and enjoyed this review. If you did, please like, share with your friends, your peers, and leave your comments below and your thoughts about this watch. As requested earlier, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time. Bye for now and stay tuned for the forthcoming videos.